This is part 2 of rewinding a 1954 Fender Strat pickup. If you haven't seen part 1, go check that out first. I got all the rust off that I could. I cleaned it up as well as I could, and I lacquered this bobbin, gave it 3 coats of lacquer, and let it cure for a couple days. And now it's ready to wind. So let's wind a Strat pickup. Well, this is my pickup winder, crude as it may be. I actually like it that way because it's basically a replica of the winder that Leo Fender used in the early days, and I'll post a picture of that. But and it's just, the wire is just led directly onto the bobbin by hand as it spins around. So I've got my counter turned on, and I know just how many winds I want to get here. I'm aiming for about 5.3k ohms, 5.3 thousand ohms. So let's start winding. I just measured the resistance on the coil and we're close, but I think about 500 more turns should put us right about 5.3. That's what the other two pickups read, and I really don't want to go any lower than that because that's a pretty low wind for a Strat pickup. So here we go. Okay, that might be it. Let's see where we're at here. I got it wound up to 5.36, which is basically just exactly what I wanted. It's what the customer wanted. The other two pickups were 5.38 and 5.37, I think, so I mean it's pretty much the same. And it's a neck pickup, so it's just slightly less, slightly underwound from the other two, but I mean really it's just a negligible difference. They'll actually read differently according to the temperature. I mean, if I were to dip this in hot wax and then take a reading, it would probably read 6. So they fluctuate. Anyway, I don't know if you noticed when I unwrapped that pickup, but there's only wax on the very outer layers. The inner part of the coil wasn't potted at all. So I'm going to very lightly wax pot this and then send it back to the customer, and everybody will be happy. Hopefully he makes a video of how it sounds, and if he does, then I'll post a link in the description of this video. Anyway, if you like this kind of stuff, if you like guitar science, check out my podcast, fretfiles.com. You can also check out my website, ericdaw.com. I make guitars, repair guitars, build guitars, restore guitars. Anything that you need done, let me know. I'd be happy to do it for you. Thanks.